What I want to do is to show you how to design your own 3D printed bubble blower. We have a battery holder, a switch, a couple of motors, some screws here and here, worm drive, gear case assembly, propeller, and also a gear that we will not be using. In our design, we will need to achieve several things. Make a container for the bubble solution, make some kind of a disc for the bubbles, provide a support for the gear case, and also for the propeller motor, and attach the switch and also the battery holder. What I'm thinking of doing is making a container for the solution, some kind of a semicircular thing with the support, a disc with holes in it, shaft, the gear case, somewhere over there, propeller with motor, switch somewhere over there, and somewhere the battery holder, and of course wiring etc. is required. Now let's start making the design for the container. Okay, some kind of a nice round shape. I think that would look nice. Some kind of thickness to the material there. If we can put a bit of a chamfer on that, that'll be nice. Chamfer there. I reckon we need some kind of a support. Going to the, okay, let's try that one, like that, support same on the other side, and provide some kind of an attachment for the motors and the propeller over here, kind of a screw I think. Okay, we'll have the bubble solution in the container there, the disc here with the holes etc, shaft in the middle of course, gear case there. I'm thinking around about the propeller there to miss the bath, the base and everything. So, and the propeller here, and the motor behind it, of course. Some kind of a support, I think, for it. So we'll also need support or that assembly somehow, and some kind of a support for the gear case. Also behind here we've got enough room for the battery compartment, by the looks of it, and also probably on the top here, out of the way from the propeller, we can probably put the switch. Now it's a different spot from down here, but it's easier up there. I'm planning to attach the gear case using this screw here, screw hole here, and that screw hole behind the gear here. So if we draw it out, we'll have something like this. A hole there, and we'll need some kind of a support structure here. To mount the switch, what I'm planning to do is to around about near the gear case with the two holes, extend this piece out a little bit and provide a cutout here so that I can mount the switch in here. To mount the propeller motor is to mount it in some kind of a holder. The motor will sit in like that. Some kind of support, fairly thin ones, so not to obstruct the airflow. Have some kind of a guard around it, around the propeller. Shaft, propeller, and the support down to the base. For the disc, I'm planning to have some holes in the disc here, probably in some kind of a spiral pattern in the disc. The central hub there. When you're starting to design on the CAD, what I will do is to work out where the centre of the gear case is, the shaft. That will give you where the disc is located. Don't know about the holes yet. The diameter of the disc is around about 150 millimeters, because that's limited by my printer. Now that will, with a bit of clearance, give you where the solution container will sit. Also the base, and probably at 45 degrees from that point there, where the propeller will sit. So the shroud and the propeller, and of course the motor, where that will be located.